Okay, leaders. So now what you are going to do for the major portion of your actual assignment, what you're doing is you're going to write how this relationship would look in today's time. So let's say again, I'm choosing Theseus and Hippolyta. Okay, so we know that they are planning on getting married in 4 days. So to me, I would have to write out on my comic strip. Can you see these comic strips? Now, these are pretty small for Ms. Brown because I write really, really large. So I am going to provide some of this type where for those of you who can write really small and in there, but it has to be legible, meaning that we have to be able to really understand it. But for Miss Brown, these are the sizes that I need because I write pretty large and I want to make sure that all of my thoughts are there. So you will have the option of choosing whichever comic strips you want. I will be providing both of them, okay? So you use whichever is best for you and your partner. You will write it out. So for me, I would be using this one and I will be writing out exactly what is being said. And you'll see what I'll be writing in these in just a minute. And I'll actually write them in for you here. And then while we're on the line together, so then that way you'll know exactly. But I've already written out my words for each character. So that way you'll know, but it has to be a communication piece. Just think about, you're getting married. So for the men, hopefully you're excited. You're thinking about, okay, where will we live? Where do I have a job already? Do I need to transfer and change my occupation? Where will we, are we having one vehicle? Are we going to stay in the city that we're in right now, or are we moving somewhere else? For the woman, okay, our mind is, okay, well, now I need to plan a wedding. While I'm planning the wedding, I need to make sure that I have my dress. I need to make sure that, I have the location. Are we going on a honeymoon? For the men, okay, the honeymoon. I need to get her ring. All of these are the type of communications that will be going on for someone or a couple who is thinking about getting married. So what you're going to do is create those words and scenes for each of your two characters. So I would have one for Theseus, and then I would also have one for Hip, okay? And then finally, what you are going to do, yes, 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 you can do it, leaders. Why? Because I believe in you. You know, I tell you this all the time. What you are going to do is prepare to act out your scenes in your comic strip. So what you are going to do is just plan everything out on both of on your comic strips, whichever one you all choose to use. And then when Miss Brown comes back, be prepared to act it out. I cannot wait to see what you guys do, but I will continue to explain everything in my next video. Okay, see you in a minute.